Original bad man, you don't know.
It's Features.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. This is another quick wig review on the Janet collection, the Natural Me Blowout. You guys, this HD synthetic wig is the bomb. So let's get into this look. Alright, you can see the texture. It is gorgeous. The lace was perfectly fine, but you know, with me, I decided to add my foundation powder beneath the lace so it can match with my skin tone. And here is the final look, you guys. I received so many compliments on this particular wig. It's the color, it's the texture. It was just giving all around. So what do you think? Leave a comment down below, and thanks again for stopping by. Alright, take care.
Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I go love you